Ma'am, although there was no hand raising and nahitabo ganiha,
Oh,
but the Vice President kept calling you governor,
yeah.
ma'am. So,
You know,
can we say you are now officially endorsed by Sara
uh,
Duterte as the candidate for governor sa Puerto?
you know, unraising is not the only symbol of being endorsed. It's the fact na ni Anhi si Inday Sara. Karkar kalayuan ni. Yaani gyud ko niya, ug yaani niya ang katawhan. So that alone is endorsement enough. Yeah. And he keeps referring to me no as governor, no? So, nagdidako gid akong atayad to. A sign of things to come.
Validation na to.
Exactly, yeah. And di na sa di ko ganahan na mo demand maikugsad ko kay there are a lot of other local candidates, no? So, nainsad kaayo kung ako ra and uban wala mari, so I wouldn't want it that way. But enough na to yang giingon nga we want her message more than a hand raising. Kaya ang yang endorsement very meaningful. So nakita nato unsa nga kind of leader ang dapat piliin nato. So okay ra ko ato.
What's next? After Diri, will there be another political rally?
Yeah, it's going to be a series of rallies, handshaking the next 2 weeks until the end of the campaign period. So this is kuan good, very satisfactory and very uh, kuan jud kaayo kanang sa heartwarming.
It's almost May 18 na. How confident are you you will be the next governor of Cebu?
100%, 101% kung wala lay tikasay.